Hi guys, so to do your emoji, you're going to get a piece of paper and you need to think about what's an original emoji that would be current and people would want. Don't go and steal an emoji and say, hey, this stolen emoji is going to be current and it's going to be what people want, because that's artistic plagiarism. When you get your paper and you think of your idea, you're going to need to put a circle in the center of your paper. I did some lessons on how to draw circles earlier this semester. You can draw a circle by spinning your paper, making your hand into a compass. You can try freehanding a circle. You can also go and trace a circle if you really have to. If your circle is a little off, like my circle is, just erase what's off. Now, I have an idea for my emoji. I think Baby Yoda is super adorable, like a lot of you, so I'm going to do a Baby Yoda emoji. And some of you may want to do the Baby Yoda emoji. That's okay if that's what you choose, but you have to defend why you chose it. You can't just do it and say, I'm going to do it. You gotta have a reason behind it. Okay, so I've got my Baby Yoda ears. I'm going to make this Baby Yoda emoji very simple, not too complicated. When I'm done drawing out my baby emoji or Baby Yoda emoji, I'm going to get colored pencils and or markers. You can mix media this, and I'm going to color the background and my emoji. I'll take a picture of my work and turn it in. If you have any questions, be sure to ask.